Hello everyone. Today I am going to make a Haldi ceremony board with the less material that I have right now. You need to have these materials like paper, glue gun, scissor, thermocol, fevicol, chart paper and flower strings that we used in Diwali. First of all, cover the thermocol with the chart paper, like I use yellow chart paper to cover. Then take a colorful A4 size sheet and write alphabet back side of the sheet. Now you can see how I am doing. Write all the letters like that. Now cut the letters properly. Make sure your cutting will be accurate. After the cutting, your letter will be look like this. I have cut more letters like H, A, L, D, I. Now I am taking my thermocol sheet. Place all the letters order wise like H, A, L, D, I. After the placing, I will take fevicol, apply fevicol back side of the alphabet like I'm doing over here. And paste. Do the same. Now you can see I have pasted almost all the letters over here. Paste it well and let them to dry. After dried, it will look like this. Now as I said that I have a flower string that we used in Diwali. I am separating all the flowers. Now you can see me how I am doing. See this flower, isn't it nice? Okay, now I'm taking our thermocol sheet again. I am placing flowers over the thermocol sheet. Then I will take glue gun. You can use FEVICOL also. Apply glue and paste. Apply glue and paste. You can apply glue on the board and paste your flower like I'm doing over here. I'm going to apply all the four sides of the borders. Paste it more. It's up to you how you will decorate your board. After the pasting of the flower, see, my board will look like this. For more decoration, I'm using glitter sheet. I'm cutting the glitter sheet and just you can see how I'm going to cut a random cutting. It's not a triangle, a random shape I'm making, and apply glue on the board and paste it. Apply glue and paste it. Now you can see after the pasting, your board is look more prettier than before. Now your board is almost ready. Now you can see, isn't it pretty, guys? I wish you like this Haldi decor, and I wish you will try definitely at your home. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.